Scrapbooker. Today we're going to be unboxing the July Echo Park Club Kit for the Scrapbooking Club Kit. And so I hope you sit back and enjoy the fantastic colors and papers and stickers and washi tape that comes included with this kit. It's available still now on Echo Park's Club Kit's website. I know this is the kit from last month, but this kit only comes every other month. So we're going to look at July's Club EP kit. This is the Echo Park Paper Company's scrapbooking kit. So let's open it up and see what we find. Alrighty, let's just pull out this whole envelope of stuff and we'll go through it little bit by little bit. They do give you an additional 10% off at your next order at the Echo Park online store. Every time this comes, you use a discount code, and they show you some new collections that have come out, like the Magical Birthday for boy and girl. That's one thing that is in there. They do also have a bi-monthly Card Makers Club. And this runs every other month on the months opposite of the Scrapbooking Club. So you could actually get the Scrapbooking Club one month, like in July, get the Card Maker Kit in August, the Scrapbooking Kit in September and October, the Card Making Kit, on and on like that throughout the year. So if you wanted something every month, you could subscribe to both of them because they are on opposite months. They also show you some new kit things out from some more new things that are out, like Baby Boy and Baby Girl paper packs. And then this one's called Pool Party, is this kit, the July 2021 kit. And this is, it shows you an inspiration sheet, as well as directions to do a summer layout kit and a trio of cards kit. And they give you all the directions, all the different kind of measurements to cut out and stuff like that. It gives you a cutting list and all that. So that's really nice if you want to replicate one of their kits. So we will take this gold seal up and get into the kit. So I'm just going to set this kit aside and we'll just go through this one by one. The first fun thing that comes in is washi tape. So this one's a floral design. See that a little better? It's a really pretty floral design of washi tape. So you get a pack of it, washi tape. You get this one comes with a pack of puffy stickers. So these are adhesive puffy stickers, and they're really cute. We have some bathing suits, a pool, some sayings like staying cool by the pool, say hello to summer, I love summer, sun, surf, sea, salt, and sand, and then these banner summer stickers, which would be really cute on a card or on a layout page. You also get a thing of, this is frames and tags. So this is the frames and tags set. So this is cardstock cut out and printed and cut out into tags. Let's just look at some of these today. See what kind of frames and tags we got in this kit. So I'm going to show you the kit. I want to show you the kit. So these are the frames and tags. Pool Party. That's a tag, a frame. There's a tag. Say hello to summer. Oh, this is a punch apart frame. So it says hello summer in the middle. You can keep that in the middle, or you can take that and punch it apart and it becomes a frame. Same with this hello sunshine. It has watermelon frame. Summer fun is a frame. Here's another tag. Here comes the sun. Hello summer. Beach and sunshine. I'm going to use some of these in my next layouts I'm doing. Make a splash. Walking on sunshine. Everything is cool. Sweet summertime. Here's another tag. I love summer. And these tags actually have the punch out. As you can see, the punch out for the holes for the tags, so you can put some ribbon through there or whatever. Summertime adventures. This has a lot of tags. There's just a striped flag. Summer. Oh, this has a lot of tags and frames in it. There's that sun, surf, sea, salt, and sand. That was in the stickers. Some of these are replicating of the stickers. Here's some more. And this here is another frame. That one pops apart. That's a cool frame. Oh, and then these little dots pop off the bottom too. Let me see if I can pop one of these off. There you go. So the whole bottom is a kind of a ruffled look. Staying cool by the pool. There's a beach ball, and then I love the beach. So this comes with a lot of tags and frames in it. So that's a real good kit. There must be 30 of them here. So when you count all the tags that are inside the frames. So we're just going to scoop these up here and put those back in there. I'll give you a sampling of those. Those fun pineapples with the sunglasses on are really cute. And we'll sit those over there with the frames and tags. It also comes with a 6x6 paper pad. Now this is the thing about their paper pad. They're 65-pound cardstock. They're double-sided, and they mimic the size, the cardstock that is in the 12x12 size. So if you want matching or you want complementing, you can use this paper pad. Also, this paper pad is great for cards. If you have your solid card. So you have there's starfish, a stripe, some florals, some tags, some polka dots, some lemons, some watermelons, bathing suits, teal, some palm leaves, some cobblestone, some pools, polka dot, and these will repeat. So there's the stripe again, the floral again. So there's two pieces of every. So you see here you got this floral. You come back here. There's that floral again. See? And so you get two pieces of each piece of cardstock. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. 12 pieces of cardstock, 24 designs, and you get 2 of each of those. So that's a total of 24 double-sided papers there in that set. Okay, now we have some chipboard accents. And these are some of the things. Here's that banner I talked about in those little stickers. They have it in a larger. So maybe you use the little puffy stickers on a card. You could use this on a scrapbook page and take some twine and put those along with twine. These are actually, are these regular? Yeah, these are regular. So you'd have to put adhesive on them. They are just the regular chipboard accents. I think a bunch of those others, ice cream things, some bathing suits, pools, pineapples, a couple pools, some banners, a flamingo, a little cart with flowers, surfboards, etc. Now we come to the highlight of the kit, which is the paper. So as I said, you'll see some of these same colors in the from the small 6x6 paper pad in this set. Now the only thing it does include one extra thing with the paper, and that is this element sticker pack. So this is a page of stickers. So these are all, it's self-adhesive, and these are soaking up the summer fun and sun. Here's those banners and stickers. Here's a couple 12-inch strips on there to do on the edge. Here's some banner flags, some watermelons, some pools, bathing suits, just a smidge of everything you saw in some of the other ones in sticker form. So there's that. Here's our starfish paper. There's the stripe paper. There's a floral paper, small floral. Oh, here's some cut apart cards that has some, these would be great for a, like if you were having a pool party at your house, this would be a great thing to cut out and put as a title for your page. So those are good title cards. There's a pink and white, a white polka dot on pink paper. And on the back of that is lemons. There's watermelon. And there's bathing suits. There's our palm leaves and all the different shades of colors of the pack. There's some more cut apart cards you could use as titles. Here's what I call would be like a teal cobblestone, almost like it looks like the side of a pool is what I see. You can see that cobblestone a little better there. So we got that. We got a bunch of pools. That'd be fun for a poolside thing. I'm thinking about this vacation I had last year at Outer Banks. This would be great paper for this. Here's some white triangles on some teal paper. Here's that design. Oh, and the back. You can't forget the back. Look at all these swimsuits and flamingos and ice cream cones and pineapples and lemons and watermelons and kind of a splash of everything on there. Here's another bold stripe. And there's some more cut apart cards. Summertime is time for watermelon, lemonade, sunshine, popsicle, seashells, pools, so much fun. And some other cool sayings on that one. Oh, here's some palm leaves that's just in the palm section. I'm going to check something here for you guys. While we go through this, there's some pineapples with all different kinds of sunglasses on and some florals on that one. That one's really cute. What do you think? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Here is just a squiggle line orange paper. I don't know if you can see the squiggles up close. Now you can start seeing the light underneath the paper. You can show the other side. But the other side of the paper is these fluorescent, not fluorescent, but flamingos and summertime sayings, hello summer, summer, and some watermelon, pineapple, stuff like that. Here's a pink check. And we have, more cards on the back. Isn't that great? Summer is a state of mind. I love summer. Days of summer. Say hello to summer. This is a great kit for July. Here's the teal stripe. Kind of looks like a cabana cover. And then there's that bold floral that we saw on some of the other papers. So those are all the papers you get. Let's count the papers here and see how many papers we get. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You get 12 sheets of double-sided paper. You get 1 sticker sheet. You get chipboard accents, a 6x6 paper pad, puffy stickers, your frames and tags kit, and the washi tape. And that's what you get in this month's, in July's kit is still available. Now, I do want to tell you something. You can get the July kit shipped to you every month, but also you can go online to their echoparkoutlet.com and find their Club EP, and this is what you can buy additionally. Now, this is what I like about this. For $5.99, you can get the Pool Party Solids. So you saw all these were printed papers. You can buy a solid paper pack to go with it. You can buy adhesive brad set, chipboard phrases, Pool Party ephemera set, a Sweet Lemons washi tape, a Pool Dot washi tape, Pool Party enamel dots, Tropical Leaves die set, Summer Popsicles die set, and Sunshine Kisses stamp set. So those are the additional products that you can actually get to go that complement this set. It's an additional price, but you can add those to your cart. I always like to get the Pool Party Solids because you get 6 solids, I think. Let me just click on this real quick. You get 6 solids, and you get 2 sheets of each color. So if you're doing a double page spread, you can do 2 teal or 2 orange or 2 pink or 2 light teal, dark teal, medium teal, I think is in this paper pack. So you basically can get all these colors in your paper pack, and you could cash in on that solid paper pack for your background paper. And then you can use these accents to do other stuff on that paper. So I just wanted to give you a short little video clip here of all that's in this July Echo Park Paper Company paper kit. And this is a scrapbooking kit that comes out every month. July, September, November. And then it'll start again in January. So we'll go with that. And I hope you enjoy this this video and to see all the exciting things that are in the summer kit. I'm excited and very excited. I'm going to have to go online and get the Pool Party Solids to match this set so I can actually scrapbook this as part of my summer beach trip I took last year. So we'll see you all next time on the Nifty Scrapbooker.